How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the account center option you see there and then tap on the your information and permissions option. Further, tap on the export your information option and then tap on the create export option you see there. You will then be required to choose where do you want to export the file to. You can choose from device and external surface. I will choose on my device. Now, go ahead and confirm your export by simply adding in information such as the date, the file type. So go ahead and tap on the customize information option you see there, and since we want to see deleted chats for the time being, so tap on the clear all option you see there in order to uncheck the checkboxes in here. Further, scroll through and tap on the messages option you see there and then tap on the save button. Now, go back and then go ahead and choose the file type option you see there, or tap on the date range option firstly and select the range of the deleted chat that you want to see. Further, tap on the format option and choose your format of the video or the file that you want to be exported, and finally tap on the media quality. Once all is selected, tap on the Start Export option you see there, and you will be required to enter your password for security purposes. So go ahead and enter your password, and with this, your information has been forwarded for export. Simply wait for the export, and the export time may vary depending on your data. Now, once you have waited for the export, once the export is completed, open Instagram again after you receive the notification, and now go ahead and tap on your profile icon again and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on account center again and then tap on your information and permissions. Further, tap on export your information option you see there, and with this, as you can see, the download is ready. So tap on the download option you see there and then tap on download again. You will be required to enter your password for security purposes. So enter your password and then tap on next and then tap on download. Now wait for the download to complete. The download time might vary depending on your file size. Once downloaded, open the files application on your device and then go ahead and tap on the downloads tab and then open the file that you just downloaded. And now if you tap on it, you will see various options. Simply go ahead and tap on the your Instagram activity option and then tap on messages, and in here you will be able to view all your chats, your inbox, your message requests, your photos that you sent, and you will be able to view your secret conversations too. Simply tap on it and navigate through the message that you are looking forward to recover. So this was about how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.